Replacing the presser foot. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. For sewing machines without a lock key, turn off the power switch. Raise the presser foot lifter. Press the lever on the back of the foot holder and the presser foot will drop off. To avoid damaging the lever, do not push it down. Place the desired foot under the foot holder so the pin on the foot lies just under the groove on the foot holder. Lower the presser foot lifter to lock the foot in place. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. For sewing machines without a lock key, turn on the power switch.